Hey guys, what's up? Back at it with another video. It's Chad here. I'm going to teach you guys today how you can start investing in cryptocurrency as easily as possible. I'm going to teach you guys how to open up a Bitconnect account as well as a Coinbase account. Okay? Coinbase accounts are extremely very easy to use for beginners. What you're basically going to do is, I'll show you exactly, go to Google. Okay? Go to Coinbase. .com, boom. It's going to bring you here, first, second link, okay? Obviously, you're going to go to your top right where it says sign in. Okay, you're going to put your information in. With Coinbase, I don't think you need a photo ID verification. It does take a little while. You want to make sure you have a secure password and stuff like that. I do know, like, GDAX and other places you do need photo verification, which I do recommend transferring over to those places, but this is a great platform, very easy to use if you are just starting to invest in cryptocurrency. So what you're going to do is, obviously just put in the regular information and what it's asking you. It's going to ask you to go to your email, wherever you send the verification, wherever it says to go. And then it's as simple as that. Verify it, and you have your account, okay? So what it's basically going to look like is it's going to bring you to this dashboard, all right, right here. You have your four big coins on Coinbase: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin. I have about $200 in Bitcoin. All right, so let's just go over this. So here's the dashboard. This is the main page, okay? You can just see the graph right here. This is right here where it says recently active activity. This is where you're going to see your orders pending and when you buy and sell your Bitcoin. To buy and sell Bitcoin, what you're going to do is go to buy and sell. Okay. Make sure you buy over $100 your first time because they do charge you hefty fees. Like, there's no point of investing like $10 because they'll charge you $10, so you're gonna be just losing money without even knowing. So make sure when you go here and you put your money in, and you do have a max. I think you can increase it if you do photo verification and stuff like that, or contact them, and boom, you just buy it and it completes. Okay, and then you go back over here to your dashboard, and you can just see it. You could see your order pending. It takes about half an hour to maybe an hour. Max says, I believe it's max 48 hours, which I don't ever see happening. But if so, just so you guys know, I think if you want to add accounts here, okay, like bank accounts and stuff, go right here, stuff like that. Pretty self-explanatory. That's all I pretty much do that for. Okay, so that's Coinbase for you guys. I'll show you guys how to transfer over to your Bitconnect account, but let me show you how to I guess you guys probably know how to do this, and a lot of you guys already have Bitconnect accounts, and I'll show you guys how to transfer over your money. So I'll just go to Bitconnect right here. And to make it easier for you guys, I'd appreciate if you guys could just use my link. It's just, it's a win-win. Just support the channel. I want to give you guys as much value as possible, even though it's not investing advice. I'm not an expert, but I think going over my day-to-day, vlog of what I'm going to be basically doing and 2018 trading strategies. I think it's extremely beneficial. Just support me, guys. I'd really appreciate it, and I definitely plan on giving back to the community. So what you're gonna do here, obviously, top right again, register. All right. It's pretty much the same steps as Coinbase. I'm not gonna do it all over again because I don't want to show my email, even though you guys probably saw. But whatever. You guys can just boom, go there. All right. Fill out all the information and stuff. What country you're from, stuff like that. and then you know, go to your email again. All right, guys. It's self-explanatory. I don't want to get too deep with that. I want to mainly focus on how to transfer over your money so you guys can start earning money immediately. Okay, I'm just gonna log in here. I think I'm already logged in. Let's just go here. Okay, boom. Here's my Bitconnect. As you guys seen from my last video, I have only $100. Again, I plan on investing a lot more in 2018. I think 2018 is going to be the year. Besides from that, let's get into Bitconnect because this is where it gets a little bit difficult if you guys don't know what you're doing. What you're going to do, if you want to transfer over your Bitcoin to the Bitconnect so you can start lending, this is what you're going to do. I think I went to my wallet, right? Okay, let me log in here. Come on. Sorry, guys. What you're going to do here is go to your wallet, okay? Go to your wallet, okay, right here you have two options. You don't want to receive Bitconnect. You don't want to transfer it over back to your Coinbase. But what you're going to do is go to deposit Bitcoin, okay? Deposit Bitcoin. When you want to send over your Coinbase Bitcoin over to your Bitconnect account to get that Bitcoins so you can start lending, copy that link. Boom, easy. Just copy the link from right here, wallet, Bitcoin wallet right here. Boom. Go to your Coinbase account. Okay. Go to accounts. Boom. I'm already there. Accounts. Where it says right here, you do need Bitcoin. Press send because you don't want to receive it. You're not cashing out. Copy that. Paste that link. Sorry. Boom. Okay. And then send over, you know, all the money you want to send the max over that you have. I don't want to send all my money over because I still want to hold Bitcoin. Okay, but it's as simple as that. And you basically the next page you say confirm. Just make sure this code right here, matches the one that you copied from Bitconnect. Okay, this one right here. Make sure those codes are the same. And then probably after, I think it took me about, I think it's 2 hours for my order to go to this wallet here, the Bitcoin wallet. But then here we go. The next step is, you know, you can go right here to BTC Exchange or click right here, because what you need to do is transfer to the Bitconnect wallet, and then basically then you can start lending. Okay, so make sure you do have about $150 just in case you do make mistakes, or you don't want to ever transfer over like 20 bucks because it charges you enough. Okay, and then from there, exchange, you gotta come down all the way down here, buy right here. Okay, and then you're gonna have a number right here. I don't have any see Bitcoins right here in that wallet on my Bitconnect account, but it's gonna probably show right here, and then you can just literally just put that number in right here, the units, like whatever, it'll show you exactly. And then it's the same thing. It's like a 2-second step. You buy it, boom. It's gonna say confirm the order. All right. And then again, you do have to wait a little bit. I think it might be automatic. Boom, it transfers over right here. And to make sure that all this is working, you can just look at the estimated asset value area. This is where it's gonna show you. Okay, this is my active. But if I was transferring over this, it'd probably show here, and then it would, after a while, then it would say escrowed, stuff like that. Then it shows you how much that you have money in your Bitconnect wallet. Okay, here you go. And then it's as simple as that, right? This is your lending wallet. You don't have to do anything more. Simply go to your dashboard. Make sure, like I said for the third time, that you have about $100 or more. Lend Bitconnect. Okay, because when I first started out, you know, I didn't look at the actual transaction fees. So make sure that you look, when you look at the confirmation order page, that what you're getting charged, and so you know that you're getting charged that. and then boom, okay, you can just send it over. Whatever you have in your wallet, you can simply just send it all over. I don't have anything there, so you know, boom, and it's in increments of 10. Okay. I think that should have been helpful for sure. Let's just go over some interest rates. If you guys aren't sure about investing in Bitconnect, let me just show you some of the payouts. This was yesterday. It's January 4th today. This is January 4th, yes. It's not a bad little percentage as well. Okay, 0.81. That's definitely good. Anything over that, I think, is good. 1% is obviously better. But this is, I don't mind it. Anything below this, it's not really a good day for me. But there you guys go for that. Let's see if I could show you guys anything else. I'm pretty sure that's about it. There's going to be a lot more videos to come, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped out a lot. I do plan on having about 2 videos a day. So definitely subscribe and support the channel, you guys, because I'd appreciate some support. And I do plan on giving back to the community as soon as possible. So thanks, guys. Take care.